Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog. For today's recipe, it is super simple, and yet it's very nice ginger cookies recipe. It is almost like I don't know if you know these cookies for babies. It has that, it's almost like biscuits, but it's cookies, almost kind of melt in your mouth. It's not like smooth cookies, but it's just nice. And again, it's super simple to make. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. Crack an egg in a bowl and we're gonna beat it lightly. For the dry ingredients, this is 1 2/3 cup flour with 2 teaspoons of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a generous pinch of salt. We're just gonna mix these ingredients. Now we're gonna add our butter. About half cup into the dry ingredients. My cats are running around, rampaging the house. You may hear it on the background sound. So again, half cup of butter, and we're gonna mix it with the dry ingredients until it resembles a breadcrumb, like crumbles, small crumbles, like breadcrumbs. So just keep mixing it. You can use pastry blender if you have pastry blender, or you can even use your hand. Once the texture like that, now we're gonna add in our beaten egg, and we're gonna mix it with our electric mixer. Until just blended. Now add in 3/4 cup of sugar. We're gonna mix it with our spatula until completely combined. Once mixed with your wooden spoon or spatula, crack another egg, and we're gonna mix it with our electric mixer again. Knead it. Once it's resemble like this, wet dough or wet mixture, knead it until it becomes a smooth dough. You can knead it on your ball with the help of a little flour at a time, or you can knead it on a floured surface. Once it became a nice dough, you will feel that there's a little bit crumbs on your hand. That's okay, that's from the sugar. Once it became a dough, form into a long log, and then we're gonna wrap it in cling wrap, and we're gonna chill it for 30 minutes in the fridge, not in the freezer. Now after half hour, take out of the fridge, and we're gonna slice it, and we're gonna place the sliced dough, raw cookies, into our greased pan. You want to give it a space. Now bake cookies at preheated 375 for 8 to 10 minutes. Cool cookies on the pan for 5 minutes and move them to cooling rack to cool completely.